button 2. The button 2. Something, don't push the button 2. So last time in the something I was playing 4 or something, you may have not seen it. So I'm going to join and let's get into it. So I'm going to join right now and you can see it. Don't push the button 2. So let's just not push the button unless someone else pushes the button and we're good to go. Now I can't press play. Well, it's a bummer. Well, at least I pressed play. I don't think this is a button, but it's okay. We're just going to get into the game. Or maybe it is. Yes, it is. It is the game. Well, oh my goodness. Yeah, how did that person even get on the button? Girl, you're gonna die. Pardon me. So, excuse me. So, I didn't mean to burp then. So, you meant, okay, never mind. Wait, are you supposed to jump on the, I guess you're supposed to jump on the globe. Wait, what? No. I hate this. No. You know what? Me dead now. Okay. Or are you supposed to click it? Oh, you're supposed to click. Ooh! Is it supposed to encourage you to be happy or hypnotize you? Whoa. Hypnotize you? Just go away! Thank you. I don't like it. Gather up near the button. I'm afraid of the dark. No, I'm not. Well, I am. Come to think of it. I want to pet that instead! I want to pet it! I've had it! No, it's gone. Wait, whose weave is in here? Okay, this is fine. Oh, at least I survived. Let's go on the button. Okay. Is that an obby? No, there's an obby. How are you supposed to get on it? Oh, we start from there. With paying those things. Whatever. Am I supposed to go there? Or am I supposed to just go? Oh, will it disappear? Yeah, he's there. You can, no. Guess that why are they all falling from the sky? Like rainbows. Like rainbow. There's a bacon. Hello, bacon. I said bacon boy. Okay. Why keep people falling from the sky? Is it raining today? Raining people and men. Jesus. Okay. Hello, bacon. You alright, honey? Okay. Yes, you go. We'll go. No, you go. I'll kiss ya. Mwah. Go away. Go away. What? We all started in a tornado. Oh my goodness. Well, I didn't die. I'm happy about that. Bah. So there's 3 little things up there. I'm going to be jumping now. I'm going to be screaming out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. Come on. Oh, no. I like trains. This is the no, it's not. I like trains. Is it? It says fishy. Or does it say fish? Or does it say fishing? I don't know how to read. Boom. Yay, guys! Did you see that? I made it. Ha 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 ha! Take that. Take that, water. Ha! broke my ankle. Now I fell on my broken ankle. Jesus. That was a weird way to say it. Well, anyway, you might not think it's funny, but I do. Wait, what? Oh, there's a countdown! Oh my goodness! Gracious! Oh my goodness! I'm so silly. I'm basically silly, and oh, this is so fun! I feel like this is too easy for the button. I feel like this is gonna be something, or is there just gonna be something? Grass? Is that grass sparkles? Or is it just you sparkling? I said it! Please don't kill me! I'm gonna be harder. Get the boy. Ouch. No. Well, I'm happy. Yay! I did not die for the first time in forever. Wait, get up. And again, we're stuck in a tiny little box. Well done, computer. Well done. Is that Spider-Man down there? Dodge cars, Spider-Man. Jeez. Wish I was Spider-Man. Or is that just a girl? It's a girl. No, tell me. That's a boy. My favorite color is blue. Or is that aqua? I think it's like blue. But I like aqua and blue. I like blue. Any type of target! Yay! Am I supposed to slide? Yay, this is like an infinite. And oh, I know the trick to this. I know, yes I did. It's Baldy! You know why we call him Baldy? Because he's bald. He only has one baby girl. He might as well be a baby teacher. Babe. Slides! I want to go again. I didn't even go. This is so much fun. Well, it's fun anyway. I want to go again. Aww. No. It's raining cats and dogs. Sorry, I had to reset for a minute there. So it's raining cats and dogs. Holy! I had to stop myself from staying. What's... Oh! I never thought it was meteorites or something. Oh, yay! No. We're getting to that goal. Wait, what? Oh, there's a coin. I really want a coin. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry that this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Do whatever you want. Just please subscribe. Please. So, this is the end. See you in the next one. Bye.